Welcome to the Eneris video tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to do inspections using the room by room method. Looking at the general tab of our inspection, up top we see everything is split up by system. But what if we want to do our data input by room? All we need to do is click sort by rooms, and now we can see the room by room view of an inspection. So if we click into exterior, for example, we can see that the exterior section of this report has many different fields that need to be filled in, but they're all from different systems. So there are some things from structure, there are some things from electrical, and there are also some things from roofing. If we want to add or remove items from this list, we can scroll down and click Add Items. This lets us pick from an existing system. So for example, I'll add a GFCI here to the exterior. So I pick electrical and then I go and pick GFCI. Once I click save and I scroll back down, I'll see that GFCI has been added as something to inspect for the exterior of this property. I can also remove or rename these sections as appropriate. Let's say I want to add another room that isn't in the default list. I can go up and click Manage Rooms, and this brings up a window where you can rename, duplicate, add, or remove new rooms. So I'll go ahead and type new room and I'll add it. The page refreshes and now you see that new room is added. And if I click in there, I don't see anything, but I can click Add Items to again pick from the system and then the specific item in that system that I'd like to add to this room. And by doing that over and over again, you can build templates exactly how you need them. So when you're on site, you save a lot of time. And again, if I go back into general, I can sort into systems again. And I can navigate. So here, if I'm in systems and then click exterior, I only see the components in the exterior section. And there you go. I can toggle it again if I'd like. And that's it.